Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm a Dell BDM within Arrow. Today I'm at the CSC. I've brought my partner along, Proact, who's then brought their customer. The morning session, we sat down with industry experts to look at what the customer was trying to achieve. We were able to eliminate some of the risks, accelerate the values, look at different proof of concepts and how they would work across many different applications for that customer. I'm currently stood at the Innovation Lab, surrounded by many different parts showcasing innovative technologies across multiple sectors. So if you've got a partner, or you're a partner and you've got a customer and you're wanting to do some really, really cool, interesting proof of concept, feel free to get in touch and we'll see how we can help.
The time we spent at the Solution Centre has been invaluable in terms of pulling together the best minds from Dell, not just leaders in the technical field, but also in terms of their understanding in customer challenges across different verticals, across different fields. Tying that together with the customers in the same place that have those minds working so that we can innovate together. So the breadth of experience of Dell and us working together as Proact, together with the customer-specific understanding to make sure we come up with a solution that's going to work for the future for the customer moving forward.
Hello, my name is Chris Clark and I'm the Associate Director at University Hospitals Coventry in Warwickshire, working for Performance Informatics with Big Data, AI and Solutions. Come here today to Limerick, to Dell's CSC Centre. Really valuable with colleagues from Proact, from Arrow and from Dell themselves, working on a project for clinical coding and bringing all these pieces together, doing some networking, project planning and flow, finding the missing pieces all these people can support in the brainchild that is the CSC, seeing different innovations from different sectors all around the world, all around the country, in different industries, and how that can apply to me and my business.